Hello everyone, welcome to another Python tutorial video, and today we're going to watch a problem where we have to print an integer which is not a multiple of 2 or not a multiple of 5. So what does this line actually means? Not a multiple of 2 or not a multiple of 5. This line actually means is that it will be the number, it will be the multiple of 2 is acceptable. The multiple of 5 is acceptable. Not a multiple of 2 or 5 is also acceptable. But multiple of both 2 and 5 is not acceptable. If you watch the examples, if I give input 8 which is only a multiple of 2, it is correct. If we give input 25 which is only a multiple of 5, it is also correct. If we give an input 9 which is not multiple of 2 or 5, it is also correct. But if we give input 20 which is both the multiple of 2 and 5, it is not correct. So let us see how we can write the code of this problem. First of all, I am going to take a num variable and I am going to take the input from the user in it. Then I am going to use the if else condition. Okay, my code is complete, so let me just explain what happened in the code. Here first I have taken the num input where I have taken the input from the user, and in the next line I have taken the if else condition. So in the if else condition, what happened? Num mod 2 equal to 0, that is number divided by 2 and its remainder is equal to 0, and num mod 5 equal to 0, that is the number divided by 5 and its remainder is equal to 0, and I have connected both the condition using AND. That means this condition and this condition, both of this condition has to satisfy. I have used the not condition. That means that both of this condition are not accepted. So when the value satisfy both of this condition, it won't be accepted due to not. That is, if not a multiple of 2 or not a multiple of 5, only then the print will correct. Will print the correct, else it will go here and will print incorrect. If we watch the example, let me clear, I think you guys will be clear. First let's write the multiple of 2, that is 8. It is correct. Let me again write the multiple of 5, that is 25. Correct. Let me again write a number which is not a multiple of 2 or 5, that is 9. It is also showing correct. Now let me write a number which is the multiple of both 2 and 5, that is 20. 20 is the multiple of both 2 and 5. So when I read it, it is showing incorrect, because in my if condition it is showing that the number cannot be a multiple of 2 and 5, that is not a multiple of 2 or not a multiple of 5. That's why when 20 comes, since it is a multiple of both 2 and 5, it will show incorrect. So hope you guys understand the code. There is a Bangla version of this code. I will give the link in the description. Also I have different kind of problem solving videos of relating to multiple. I will also give the link of this videos in the description. That is for today. Hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you.